Kinabahan. Yes. Good luck, good luck.
Po. Ata.
Bye. Mayang gabi, Elia.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Ayun, na speechless ako. Napakagaling. Thank you very
Sa'yo
much
mo
for
lang
that
masabi,
wonderful performance, Rexophones. Oo, alam mo naman na,
Utol,
oo.
thank you. Sir, nakalimutan. Sir Hart, thank you.
Ang masasabi ko lang is, napakagaling. Yes.
Thank you po.
Favorite ko pa talaga. Palakpakan ulit natin. And we'll see the results next week after the auditions, ng lahat ng auditions, we will see. But congratulations on your performance, Rex. And what can you say, Junsen?
Ano lang, yung masasabi ko is para kang nasa hotel na kumakain, parang may sumasabog sa tenga mo na parang swabe lang, di ba?
Yes.
Parang kasarap
diba?
kumain. Parang gusto mo pang umorder eh. Di ba kung nasa hotel ka? Parang gusto mo kumain, parang laking gutom. Oo.
Yes.
Basta sa akin, it's a yes para sa akin. Goods na goods.
Thank you, Tal.
So, syempre, may bubuga pa yan. Hindi pa yun yung ano niya. Pinapakita niyang galing.
Yes. Pati Kim pa lang yan, pati Kim.
Pati Kim pa lang yun.
Yeah. It's a nice performance, I see. Ngayon ko lang narinig yung mga ganong talent. Nowadays kasi puro singing yung pinapakita ng mga talent na contestant. So
Mm,
that's
very
nice
unique
to
ang talent ni
see
Rex.
perform those talent. Thank you.
Ayun.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.